Good morning everyone, I'm Audric Camacho from grade 8 Australiana. And for today's video, we're going to tackle about the linear inequalities in two variables. But before we start, what is a linear inequalities?
A linear inequality is an equality which involves a linear function. A linear inequality contains one of the symbols of inequality such as greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal. It is also shows the data which is not equal in a graph form. Here are examples of a linear inequalities in a graph form.
Now we know the meaning of a linear inequalities. Now let us move on to our main topic, which is linear inequalities in two variables. A linear inequality in two variables is an equality that can be written in one of these following. Ax plus by is greater than c. Ax plus by is less than c. Ax plus by is greater than or equal to c. Ax plus by is less than or equal to c, where a and b and c are real numbers and a and b are both not equal to 0. Here are some examples. 7x minus 8y is greater than 22. X plus 4y is greater than or equal to negative 1. 5x minus 22y is less than 8. Y is less than or equal to 2x plus 5.
An ordered pair or x and y is a solution of a linear inequality. If the inequality is true when the values of x and y are substituted into the inequality.
Now here are some examples of how to determine if the given solution for our linear inequalities in two variables is true or false. Let's try to determine the given solution for 30x plus 35y is greater than or equal to 825, which are 6 and 15 and 10 and 15. Now, first, let us determine if 6 and 15 is a solution for our given inequalities. 30x plus 35y is greater than or equal to 825. First, we need to substitute our 6 for our x and 15 for our y. That will be 30 times the quantity of 6 plus 35 times the quantity of 15 is greater than or equal to 825. Our second step is we need to multiply our substitute number for our equation. 30 times 6 is equals to 180 plus 35 times 15 is equals to 525 is greater than or equal to 825. Our third step will be we need to add our given products, which is 180 and 525. So 180 plus 525 is greater than or equal to 825 is equals to 705. Now, 705 is greater than or equal to 825 is our solution. We need to ask ourselves, is 705 is greater than or equal to 825? Of course, it is false, because 705 is less than 825, so our answer will be false. We therefore conclude that 6 and 15 is not a solution for our given inequalities. Now, let us try our 10 and 15. So, 30x plus 35y is greater than or equal to 825. So, again, first, we need to substitute our given solution in our linear inequalities. So, 30 times the quantity of 10 plus 35 times the quantity of 15 is greater than or equal to 825. Our second step will be, we need to multiply our substitute numbers in our linear inequalities. So, 30 times 10 will be 300 plus 35 times 15 will be 525. So, 300 plus 525 is greater than or equal to 825. Our third step will be, we need to add our given products, which is 300 and 525. So, 300 plus 525 is equal to 825. So, our answer will be 825 is greater than or equal to 825. So, we need to ask ourselves again. So, 825 is greater than or equal to 825. Of course, our answer will be true because 825 is equal to 825. So, therefore, we conclude that our 10 and 15 is a solution for our linear inequalities.
Equation and inequalities are two important tools in mathematics. Equation express identity or exactness of quantities, while inequalities imply difference in quantities. Here is a table that will be helpful in comparing and differentiating linear inequation and linear inequalities in two variables. The symbol used in linear equation are equal, while linear inequalities are greater than, less than, not equal, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Samples of expression in linear equation is 2x plus 2y is equals to 7, while linear inequalities are x plus 2y is greater than 2. 8x minus 7y is not equal to 37. A graph in linear equation is a straight line, while linear inequalities are half plane. Here is a sample graph of a linear equation, and here's a linear inequality. The effects of multiplying or dividing the expression by a negative real number. For linear equation, sense of equality is not changed, while linear inequality or sense of inequality is changed.
Now, we know how to determine if the solution of a linear inequalities is true or false. This is the end of our lesson, so I hope you enjoy and learn many things. Bye!